All right, welcome to module number 11, week number 11. You just completed essay number 2. I am going to start grading essay number 2. So I will try to get those back to you as quickly as I can. We are moving on to our next primary source. The next primary source is On Bullshit. This is Harry Frankfurt's piece. We are going to be utilizing this for the next essay. I'll tell you right now what we're going to do with it. You're going to need to summarize it for the next essay. Also, more importantly, you're going to need to be able to flesh out a very specific definition of bullshit per Frankfurt utilizing this essay. You're going to do that so that we can write an essay where you find something within our contemporary settings and decide, hey, that's BS. And then utilize this definition in this essay by Frankfurt to articulate and argue that. So before we do anything, you have to have a solid summary of On Bullshit. You have to flesh out a very strong definition that you can apply as a lens to something within our contemporary society and demonstrating or arguing that that is bullshit. So that is important. It's a long essay, kind of humorous essay, but it is thick with verbiage. So you're going to need to be able to flesh out very specifically that definition of bullshit. Moving on from this, we have what's Wittgenstein's problem? Now, who is Wittgenstein? This is from Harry Frankfurt's essay. So this is just kind of helping us scaffold this assignment out. This will help put some of it in perspective. It does help us in terms of defining the terms necessary to move on with the essay. So this is a little bit of fun. It's just an assignment. Moving on, we get into our OERs. We have Analytical Report Trailblazer, Barbara Ehrenreich. I did remove the assignment talking about Ehrenreich, so we don't have any follow-up to this Trailblazer. You just get to enjoy it. Then we have OER quoting, paraphrasing, and avoiding plagiarism. Again, trying to get back to the idea that when we integrate sources into our paper, that we're doing it with some purpose. We have a reason why we're doing it. Why did you decide to use a paraphrase here? Why did you decide to use a direct quote? When you have a direct quote, there should be a reason. It should not just be like, well, I don't know. I found a quote and I thought I'd throw it in. Very specifically, you should have rhetorical purpose for when you utilize a direct quote. So hopefully we can start to think about that if we're not already. Also, we have M-11. This is our other assignment. This is on Frankenstein. We're coming down the back stretch with that novel. We are wrapping it up. So hopefully you're getting through the final chapters. This is providing a little bit of an introspective look. We will have a final writing that is on Frankenstein. And so this assignment is just trying to help us get some context to this, get some introspection, start to think about it in a way that's constructive for us to write about it in the future. Now, awesome, I've included optional reading. This wasn't optional before. Before, M11 OER writing knowledge transfers easily from bad ideas. This was not only a reading, but it also had a writing assignment. And you just got done writing essay number 2. And so I thought, hey, let's just not do it. So you have the option. If you want to read it, you can read it. It is optional. I think there is some merit in reading it, but not enough merit that I'm going to give you this as an assignment with a writing backup. So that's pretty much our week. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email or drop by office hours, and we can discuss it. Let's have a fantastic week. Thanks.